Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. I'm making sauteed mushrooms and veggies. So I'm going to go over my ingredients here. Just showed you a white onion, some yellow pepper, some whole white mushrooms, and some tomatoes on the vine. And then let's go over some of our spices. So we got some granulated sugar, sea salt, chili powder, garlic powder, ground ginger, and ground mustard. So first thing we're going to do is get those vegetables washed up. I'm going to start with the yellow pepper. Yellow peppers are my favorite. To me, they just have a different flavor than the green peppers. Make sure you get all your stickers off because you don't want to end up cutting that up and end up cooking it. That wouldn't be good. Then we're going to wash off our tomatoes, which are real simple and easy to do. That water keeps getting really hot on my hands. Now time for our mushrooms. Now mushrooms are very dirty in their packaging, so you want to wash them very well. Just going to put them in my bowl here. See how dirty that is? You want to get up under them, get on top of them, you know. So there's all kinds of little places for the dirt to get in there. Looks much better. And I'm going to speed through this. Some of this dirt acts like it don't want to come off. Okay, so there's my mushrooms all cleaned up. Got all the veggies clean. And we're going to get ready to chop them up. So first I'm going to start with my onion. Going to chop and peel it. And the reason I want to start with my onion is because I do want to put in the pan with the butter first is the onion and the sugar. That's why I'm using the sugars for the onion. Now when I peel, I kind of peel that first layer of onion with the onion skin. I don't know why I do that, I just always have. If you don't do that, it's fine. If you don't like that I do that, that's fine too. And then I'm going to chop off the top and the bottom of that part and throw that out as well. And I'm not finely chopping this, I'm just doing, you know, some slices, kind of chunky style. Okay, I have a half a stick of butter I'm going to add into my heated pan. Let that get melted. This is real butter. It's the Irish butter that I like to use. Y'all have seen in previous videos of mine. Dump our onions right on in there. And then I'm going to kind of break that onion up with tongs. Try to get that butter in the middle of the pan so it'll melt faster. I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugar. It's less than a teaspoon that I add in. Okay, so we're going to slice into the pepper now, and as you've probably seen before if you watch my videos frequently, I do not like all that seeds, so I just chop all like the outside, like I like to call it the wall of the pepper. Chop that, chop around like the seeds and everything. And don't worry, when I'm chopping, I am putting into the pan with the onions. I'm not eating the pepper up. I mean, even though I do like to eat pepper plain, like not cooked like that, like raw. But that's not what I'm doing. In this sauteed mushrooms and veggies, this is really good for like sausage and peppers type of meal, where you can just get like the Italian sausage and cook it up and then have this like over top, or you could eat it on a sandwich. But I actually made quesadillas the other day, which the video is already out for that. And I kind of just wanted some veggies to go with it because we had so many left over because I made like 20 some quesadillas. So I'm just eating all these veggies with the quesadillas for like leftovers. Just something to add to the dish. So here's my second pepper. Okay, I took my tomatoes off the vine. And I'm just going to kind of cube these up. And these tomatoes were actually really good because sometimes I pick up tomatoes from Walmart and I swear to you they just taste like water. These actually tasted like tomatoes. Yum, look at that bright colors. This looks delicious. And I'm just the type of person that I just love vegetables, so I could really just eat this on its own with no problem. Okay, it's time for our mushrooms. I'm just going to slice these, and I am going to keep and cook the stem. Nothing goes to waste when I'm cooking my veggies. I like to use as much as I can. And then we'll get all these chopped up and ready to go into our pan. And I really just love sauteed mushrooms. I think I'm going to make those soon by themselves. I love sauteed mushrooms with steak. So here we have some ground mustard. Ground ginger. And I've cooked like my peppers and onions and mushrooms and stuff like this with ginger a few times now, and it is really gives an amazing taste. So then we have some garlic powder, and it doesn't give it that like Asian taste or anything, because I know in Asian cooking they use a lot of ginger. Then we have some chili powder. I don't know that it, I wouldn't say it makes it more sweet, but it really helps bring out the flavor and just add something extra. And I'm just doing a little bit of chili for a little bit of spice. Then we have sea salt. And as you notice, I don't really cook with a lot of black pepper. Just don't do it. Okay, we're gonna watch this stuff get sauteed up. This is cooking up beautifully. I can't wait to have some of this yummy veggies. So this is about done. So the peppers are getting soft, mushrooms are getting soft, and the onions are translucent. So it's time to take them out. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of that sauce, because I want a little bit of sauce, but I don't want him that saucy. Okay, just get the last little bit out, and then I am going to pour a little bit of sauce over, not a whole lot, and the rest of the sauce I'm just going to throw out. And I thank you for watching, and I hope that you will try to do this combination for like a veggies side or to go with, you know, other foods and stuff like that. And thanks for watching. Subscribe Mandy's Planet. Hit the like button, hit the share button. You know, help a girl out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned though so you can get a close-up of the finished product, and I'm going to post some other pictures at the end of this video as well.